Hey friends, it's Roman Carrollton here, and one of my neighbors asked if I could duplicate this cross for her Christmas light display. Heck yeah, we can do that, and I'm going to show you how. For materials, you're going to need two 1x2s, 8 feet long. For the light, we're going to use an LED light rope. This one's 16 foot long. It's sold back where the light bulbs are at Walmart. Sometimes you can find them in the Christmas section around December. You'll also need a couple of 1.25 inch drywall screws and a handful of cable ties. 8 inches will do. These 11 inches are too big, but of course I can't find the 8 inchers when I need to set up for this shot. You just wait, they'll be behind my back or something. Now we'll cut one board at 3 feet long and the second one at 6 feet long. On the 3-foot piece, put a mark in the middle. That's 18 inches from either end, right? On the 6-foot piece, we're going to put a mark 4 inches down from the top and another one 18 inches down from the top. We'll take our 3-foot cross piece and we're going to mount it right there at the 18-inch mark. Now we're going to mount the cross piece to the upright. There's not much to this. Just line them up, square it up, drill some pilot holes, and run the screws in. If you're really worried about it, you can use a little bit of waterproof glue where the wood crosses. These next few steps I'm going to do with the light rope plugged in. Now find the middle of your light rope and fold it together. And I'm going to put a cable tie around this point just to hold it in place. Perfect. Let's add the LEDs to the wooden cross. Now, here's our 4-inch mark that we put on the upright earlier, and I'm going to put the first LEDs there at that mark. And we're going to cable tie it down. I did finally find these shorter ties. You'll see that I got the cross spaced up a little bit so I can get these ties under there. You'll get extra bonus points from me if you rotate the light pipe around so the LEDs point out. Doesn't do much good to have them pointed into the wood. It's just going to be too dim. What I mean to say is, why have them shine into the wood when you could have them shine out toward the road where this thing's going to be seen? Now we've come down to the cross piece, and I'm just going to put this last cable tie on here right above it, just the best you can, and then run the light pipe out to the end. Now I'm going to stop 2 inches from the very end of the wood, and it's just a matter of fiddling to see about where that needs to be on the light pipe. So that looks like a good spot for the turnaround, so to speak. So I'm going to bend that pretty tight. I'm going to put a cable tie on there to hold it. We're going to jump ahead here. Once you've got your turnaround point figured out, just use 4 cable ties to strap the LEDs down to that arm. We're going to jump ahead on the other side now. It's the same process. Once you've figured out your turnaround point, use 4 cable ties to snug the LED light rope down. And we just keep working our way down, twisting the light rope around so the LEDs point out. Now, I've turned things around, so we're working toward the bottom now. And I'm just going to place some ties loosely through here. Okay, there we go. Let's go back through and tighten up all these ties and cut them off. Let's talk about mounting options. The easiest thing is a couple of nails or screws into the side of the house, and you just suspend the cross from the horizontal piece. Because I don't know what my neighbor has in mind to mount this thing, I'm providing a couple of options. The first is a 3/4 inch hole through the top of the vertical piece. And the second is a wire bail made with some scrap 12 gauge wire. The hole or the bail can be used to hang the cross from a hook or nail. I use the wire bail and a screw eye on my house. And there we have it. I think this is a pretty good copy of the original. And as you can see, it goes together pretty easily. Friends, I wish you lots of success making your cross for your Christmas light display. This is Roman Carrollton. Thanks for watching.